Hello and welcome to today's lecture. We have more information from Lantos on the 3 rings of knowledge, which will be used for this season's Holy Season course, the course of the Holy Season. Here is what Lantos was telling Cindy just a couple of days ago. He said the rings of knowledge are initialized with the energy of the great central translator, the central coordinator of the energy for the global network of eternal light. It is through this great central seat that the light is anchored for the new form for Earth, the light of the golden form of initial rotations. This energy is embedded within the structure, within the prescribed form of each individual ring of knowledge. Each ring expresses a specific layer of the radiance of the golden form. The form of each ring supports the expression of the rays of the golden form, the form of eternal light for Earth. Let me interrupt there for a second and explain that Lantos has given Cindy very specific designs that will be placed on each of the rings. These forms are important for holding this energy that will be placed into the ring when it is within the great central translator. Lantos continued on. He said, these precious rings may be combined with the tools of light. When worn with the supreme song or the medallion, or when combined with our beloved pendant of eternal light, the effects are amplified. The rings may also be combined with the blessed biotrinity of the personal pathway. This combination purifies the link between the energies of the inception seed and the expression in the physical, material layer of individual existence. This combination purifies the pathway. Each ring offers a specific value of purification. The ring of elements purifies the expression of form. The rose ring purifies the qualities and characteristics of individual form. And the golden ring of Tote illumines all and promotes the development of holy vision. In this way, our beloved rings of knowledge illumine all. Yes, the beloved year of the song brings forth totality of the supreme tools of eternal light. It is complete. The new year brings expansion of the golden form, expansion of eternal light, realization of holy vision and blessings for all. Many blessings. So that gives us a little more information about the great functions of these 3 rings of knowledge. Now, as I mentioned to you on Sunday's lecture, each ring is going to be released to the public, immediately following the course for that ring. So the first one, the wooden ring of elements, gets released the day after the first cycle of knowledge, the first course. That's going to be held on Sunday, November 24th. Then, 2 weeks later, we have the second cycle of knowledge. And right after that, we will release the rose ring of knowledge. And then 2 weeks after that, on December 22nd, Sunday, December 22nd, the third cycle, the final cycle. After this, we will release the golden ring of Tote. I mentioned to you the pricing. The wooden ring of the elements is $125. The rose ring of knowledge, $285. The golden ring of Tote, $525. But the special that we're offering right now is if you get the golden ring of Tote, then we will provide the other 2 rings for free. That is for any order prior to November 24th, which is our first course, the first cycle of knowledge. Okay, everyone, this is going to be a fun and exciting period of time for all of us, going through these courses, these 3 cycles of knowledge in the holy season of this year, the year of the song, leading into next year, which of course is the year of the golden form. Everyone, have a great rest of your week. I will speak with you again on Sunday.